Welcome back to the channel, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a topic often approached with minimal preparation: replacing your car battery at home. While many jump in with just a wrench, a truly safe and efficient battery swap requires a much more comprehensive toolkit. We're going beyond the basics to ensure you're equipped for success, highlighting those often overlooked items that make all the difference. Get ready to elevate your DIY game and tackle this essential maintenance task with confidence. Let's start by reinforcing the fundamentals, your basic hand tools. While a simple open-end wrench might suffice, a good quality ratchet set with appropriately sized sockets for your battery terminals and hold-down clamp is indispensable. Look for sizes typically in the 10mm to 13mm range, but always check your vehicle's specifications. High-quality tools prevent stripping fasteners, which can quickly turn a simple job into a frustrating ordeal. Investing in durable, insulated handles can also add an extra layer of safety when working around electrical components. Safety should always be your top priority. Far too often, people skip crucial personal protective equipment. At the very least, you need robust safety glasses or goggles to shield your eyes from acid splashes, sparks, or debris. Battery acid is highly corrosive and can cause severe, irreversible damage. Equally important are chemical-resistant gloves, preferably heavy-duty rubber or nitrile, to protect your hands from acid and prevent skin irritation. Never underestimate the importance of these inexpensive but vital items. Moving beyond basic safety, let's talk about the terminals themselves. Over time, battery terminals can accumulate a significant amount of corrosion, often a white or bluish-green powdery substance. This buildup hinders electrical flow and can complicate removal. A specialized battery terminal cleaner brush, with both internal and external wire brushes, is essential for thoroughly cleaning the battery posts and the inside of the terminal clamps. This ensures a clean contact surface for optimal conductivity and extends the life of your new battery. Once those terminals are sparkling clean, you'll want to protect them from future corrosion. This is where anti-corrosion washers and battery terminal grease or spray come in. The felt washers, often impregnated with an anti-corrosion compound, are placed over the battery posts before connecting the terminals. Following up with a generous application of dielectric grease or an anti-corrosion spray over the entire connection point creates a protective barrier against moisture and acid fumes, significantly extending the life of your connections and preventing future electrical issues. Sometimes, those battery terminals can be incredibly stubborn, seizing onto the battery posts. Trying to pry them off with a screwdriver can damage the terminal, the post, or even yourself. This is where a battery terminal puller becomes your best friend. This simple, inexpensive tool applies even pressure to safely and easily separate the terminal from the post without causing damage. It's one of those specialized tools that you might not use often, but when you need it, nothing else will do the job as effectively or safely. Many modern vehicles rely heavily on their onboard computer systems, which can lose vital settings like radio presets, clock time, and even engine idle parameters when the battery is disconnected. To avoid this headache, an OBD2 memory saver is a must-have. This device typically plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port and receives power from a separate 9-volt battery or another car's auxiliary power port, providing continuous power to the vehicle's electrical system during the battery swap. It's a small investment that saves a lot of hassle post-installation. Car batteries are heavy, often weighing anywhere from 30 to 60 pounds or more. Trying to lift and maneuver a heavy, awkward battery can lead to back strain or even dropping the battery, which could cause injury or damage. A battery carrier strap or battery lifting tool is a simple device with handles that securely clamps onto the battery, providing a safe and ergonomic way to lift and position it. It's particularly useful when working in tight engine bays or lifting batteries from deep trays. Before and after the replacement, knowing your battery's voltage is crucial. A simple digital multimeter allows you to check the voltage of both your old and new batteries. A fully charged 12-volt car battery should read around 12.6 to 12.8 volts. This helps confirm the health of your new battery before installation and can help diagnose issues with the old one. It's also invaluable for checking the charging system post-installation to ensure your alternator is functioning correctly. Once your new battery is installed, consider its long-term health, especially if your vehicle isn't driven daily. A battery maintainer or trickle charger is an excellent piece of equipment to keep your battery topped off and extend its lifespan. Unlike a conventional charger, a maintainer delivers a low, steady current to prevent overcharging while ensuring the battery remains at its optimal charge level, preventing sulfation and keeping it ready for action. Accidents happen, and sometimes battery acid can spill or leak. Having a small box of baking soda and a spray bottle of water nearby is crucial for neutralizing acid spills. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that reacts with the acid, rendering it harmless. Immediately cover any spilled acid with baking soda, let it fizz, and then rinse thoroughly with water. Proper cleanup prevents damage to your vehicle's paint, components, and minimizes safety risks. Disposing of your old battery responsibly is not just good practice, it's often legally mandated. Car batteries contain lead and sulfuric acid, both hazardous materials that must not be thrown in regular trash. Most auto parts stores will accept old batteries for recycling, often providing a core charge refund if you bring it back. Make sure you have a sturdy plastic container or bag to transport the old battery without leaks. Beyond the direct tools for the battery itself, consider your overall workshop's safety. A fire extinguisher rated for electrical fires should always be within easy reach when working on any vehicle electrical system. Additionally, ensure you have adequate ventilation, especially if you're working in an enclosed space. Batteries can produce hydrogen gas, which is highly flammable, so good airflow is essential to prevent gas buildup. Working comfortably and with good visibility will make the job much easier and safer. A creeper or a comfortable work mat can save your back and knees when reaching into tight engine bays. Good lighting, such as an LED work light or headlamp, illuminates the often dark recesses of the engine compartment, helping you see what you're doing, identify potential hazards, and prevent fumbling with tools in poor light. While hand-tightening terminals might seem sufficient, proper torque is critical for secure and reliable electrical connections. Over-tightening can strip threads or damage terminals, while under-tightening leads to poor contact and potential arcing. A torque wrench, set to your vehicle manufacturer's specified torque values for battery terminals and hold-downs, ensures precise fastening. This prevents future issues and maximizes the performance of your electrical system. So, there you have it, the complete toolkit for a safe, efficient, and professional car battery replacement at home. From essential safety gear like glasses and gloves, to specialized items like a terminal puller and memory saver, and critical post-replacement care with a maintainer, each tool plays a vital role. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in turning a potentially hazardous task into a smooth, successful DIY project. Stay safe out there, and happy wrenching!